What is an infopreneur? What does it take to become a successful infopreneur? And why right now is the perfect time to become one? Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, and then you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll promise you that I will give you a ton of valuable information. An infopreneur is an entrepreneur who builds a business based on information products. Instead of selling products or services, they sell knowledge online. This can be done through ebooks, online courses, webinars, product launches, virtual summits and more. Basically, you make money with the knowledge that you already have. Now, thanks to the confluence of current technology and knowledge, these businesses can be easily and quickly established by anyone. As long as you have the knowledge and expertise, you can make yourself available to a global customer base looking to consume what you offer. If you don't have a business yet, it's easy to think, oh, I don't really have anything in particular that I'm good enough at to teach someone else. That's not really true. You do have something valuable that you know. What do you do on a daily basis? What did you study? What's your corporate background? What are your hobbies? What do people come to you for advice about? What are you proud of? Your relationship, your kids? What do people praise you for? What are you passionate about? What drives you as an individual? These are all starting points to dig deeper into who you are and what you're good at. Yes, it's hard, but with technological advancements, it's become much easier. Years ago, if you wanted to create an online course, you had to juggle at a gazillion different softwares and do so many things manually. Now everything is settled for you with an all-in-one marketing platform like Kartra. With Kartra, you can market and launch your online business without hiring a team of copywriters, web developers, designers, or system integrators. Now, to get you up and running twice as fast with 3 times much more results, so you can make money as soon as possible, we already did all the heavy lifting for you. With our proven ready-made sales funnels built in Kartra, which will help you automate and accelerate your business, you can literally have your online course up and running in 3 days or less. So don't let the tech stop you from doing things. As you are starting to discover how to grow your business online, you will need guidance. Whether it's books, courses, coaches or consultants, make sure you educate yourself so you don't feel held hostage about things that you thought should be so simple and then eventually you quit. In our online community, we help you to get started, get connected, get informed and get active with information, strategies and support necessary to increase your online marketing knowledge, sales and growth on your way to financial freedom. If you are an entrepreneur, digital marketer, local business owner, coach or consultant, you already have an offline product or service. You are an expert in your field. You can help someone else develop that expertise too. With the onset of our internet, there is way too much information online. With the culture of instant gratification and shorter attention spans, people are increasingly looking for courses to teach them the right strategies and methods in an organized manner. If you don't supply the demand, someone else will. You can package the information you're an expert in into an ebook, online course or membership program and then sell it over and over again. This is a concept called multiplying your time. Make once, sell many times. You get income coming in month after month while your marginal cost remains largely the same. You're not paid by the amount of time you spend working, but by the value you bring. To start an information business, you need a website, time to create information products, and marketing knowledge. Creating information products does take a lot of time and work, but once you finish one, you can make money on it again and again, as many times as there are people who want to buy it. Service providers have to continually provide their services, and businesses that sell physical products have to repeatedly buy more inventory to sell. But if you create something that's high quality and market it well, that's the ongoing part, you can profit of the same information product for years to come. When your work isn't tied to any particular office or city, you can work anywhere that has an internet connection. Information products can be created just as easily from a house in The Hague as from a coffee shop in New York. Some infopreneurs take advantage of the location independence by traveling all over the world to work, while others like the freedom of staying home and working in pajamas with a dog as their office mate. Any place where you can stay productive is a place you can run an infopreneur business from. You could share your knowledge on a street corner, but no one is likely to pay you for it nowadays. To sell your knowledge, you need to package it in a form that people will want to buy. For most infopreneurs, that means a mix of an ebook is a lengthy text that provides thorough information on a subject that interests your audience. Before publishing it, it's often worth hiring a graphic designer and editor to make sure your grammar is correct and that the ebook looks just right. Tutorials provide step-by-step instructions on how to do something. They're often videos, but can also be through a blog post that includes specific instructions and helpful screenshots. Sometimes videos are tutorials, but not always. Informational videos can take on a wide array of formats, including interviews and presentations. Just make sure they're entertaining and packed with valuable information for your audience. Webinars are similar to videos in a lot of ways, except that they are live and interactive. You provide a presentation of valuable information using a video conferencing software and take questions as you go. Virtual summits are extremely effective at generating traffic and increase sales. The potential to view talks from dozens of experts on an interesting topic can attract more people than a typical webinar. For many information consumers, podcasts are a preferred type of content due to the ability to multitask. Your busy audience can listen to the information you have to offer through headphones while going for a run or in the car while driving. Probably the largest and most valuable information product of all, online courses or membership programs combine multiple information products. These are usually best for a more in-depth topic, as courses can often run a span of several weeks. Courses are more advanced to put together and do require some ongoing work helping students as you go, but they're one of the information products you can usually charge the most for. Most successful infopreneurs offer some of their information products for free as a way to promote the business and build trust. Then charge for the info products that go more into depth or provide extra value in some way. Are a few things every infopreneur will need to succeed, and a handful of other resources and products worth considering to make your infopreneur business work. First and foremost, you need a space online where your business will live. Your website will be the cornerstone of your infopreneur business, so make sure the style and domain name reflect your brand. We already took care of the design. In the female or male coach website, there is a built-in course or membership area that gives you the opportunity to create an environment that stimulates communication between the members themselves. And it allows you to observe and get to know your members, communicate with them directly, learn about their needs and desires, and develop relationships that can ultimately increase your customer lifetime value. Build your email list by generating leads with ebooks, guides, checklists, etc. The people that have opted to be on your email list are your distribution channel. You can tell them about your upcoming products, services, or your info product launches, what's going on in your company, or promote other brands that will get you paid. Webinars give you the chance to create and deliver high-quality visual content that can have a positive impact on your target audience. Webinars also give you the chance to take questions from your audience and answer those. Your customers will view you as an authority when you can answer their most important questions. Fill your calendar with leads and get them on the phone is a powerful way to generate sales, and in particular those higher ticket products, services and info products. Ultimately, people buy from people, and having this high level of contact is a great way to rapidly build up a relationship and move them from hot lead into a paying customer. Generate ongoing sales with this product launch funnel. You don't have to have a giant email list. It's actually well adjusted for cold traffic. You can send cold traffic to these pages and warm them up through the video series so they're blazing hot by the time they reach the order page. Launching a virtual summit for your niche could be just about the best thing you have ever done to market yourself and your business. The best thing is you can actually do it for free, generate a ton of new leads, put on an event your industry loves, and rapidly establish yourself as an expert in your niche and community. Those are the 6 resources you should plan on investing in, no matter what type of information products you create. Now, to get you up and running twice as fast with 3 times much results and saving you a 44% investment, I composed a female or male coach website package deal for you, so you can help your clients naturally want to ascend up your value ladder of offerings and give you more money as you provide them more value. I will share a link to our done for you sales funnels in the comment section below. If you find this information valuable, then please subscribe for this channel. And please share your questions, ideas and comments with us in the comment section below. I can't wait for you to build that info biz of yours. My name is Gurby Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Now let's get started, get connected, get informed and get active.